It's a Friday. It's very important that I get out of bed and brush my teeth because I've been invited to speak on a podcast. Hopefully it's going to be about the education system. It's called The Provocateurs. There it is, just there. It's led by an amazing lady called Sarah Moxon, who is like a genius question answer, and she knows so much, and she's an entrepreneur herself, and she's just incredible. I've got a train booked for 9:47. I'll get a train to Hackney. Yeah, I might get an Uber. We'll see how busy we are. I know whether not to wear glasses. What do you think? Feeling them? No. Yes? No. Is it just me, or did that door sound exactly like the old Halo game door opening? Yeah, anyway, on the way to London. Looking forward to it. Waiting patiently. Let's rock and roll. In Houston, now I need to go all the way to Hackney. About 30 minutes, so we'll see. Vibe, isn't it? Look at these. Mustard brings out the purpleness in my eyes. Cool. God, this is a right nice little nook. This is. I got myself a nice little pistachio energy ball. I don't know how it gives you energy, but I'm sure I feel energetic. Look at that. Craftsmanship is insane. And we're gonna go ahead and say 7.8. Beautiful place. Check it out. It's really cool, isn't it? Really nice little snug. In the middle of Hackney. I'm going to have a little explore in a minute. I'm just going to wait for hostess with the mostess to accommodate me. But I'm going to have a little bit of an explore if I'm allowed to. What I'm a massive believer in: ask for forgiveness, never permission. After my coffee. And after that. Let's have a little look around, shall we? Nothing in there. So how did I get into this podcast? Well, first of all, connection. When I first started my business 11 years ago, I was completely just talking to so many people as I possibly could, because they might have access to children, because obviously I was a life coach for kids, or development coach for kids. And I went to loads of different events. I went to something called the EMC, which is a really, really cool event which helps entrepreneurs market themselves and learn how to market. So I've met lots of people, and the thing is, you've got to talk to as many people as possible. One of those people was Sarah Moxon, who I'm going to meet in a second. And she literally just asked me, said, "Hey, though, you're still looking at your social media. You're really, you're doing so much on there. It's really amazing what you're doing for kids, and how you're helping teachers exit the education system, like safely and financially safe, confidently safe, with a step-by-step process. It's amazing. I don't know where I'm going. I'm going to go back upstairs. So, would you like to come on a podcast?" I said, "Absolutely, it sounds amazing." And it looks a little bit like this, as you can see just here. So, Sarah interviews, it's called The Provocateur, which is amazing. And she interviews a lot of people that are at the height of their space. And obviously, me doing what I do, as an ex-teacher, going through a specific process with marketing, social media, curriculum development, all accredited by CBD. I'm at the top of my game, around the world, doing what I'm doing. And she saw that and recognised that and wants to interview me and speak about this. So I presume what we're going to do is speak about the education system, which is obviously my expertise, how industrialised, how it's so dogmatic and not serving our children. But anyway, this is such a nice chair. We're here very, very soon. She's a busy lady. She actually, what Sarah does is she has got something called Phoenix. It's a business called Phoenix, where it's kind of like shot girls. So she goes to loads of different events around the world, and she hires shot girls to go around with shot glasses on festivals and things like that. Like go around, like the little jello shot things and stuff like that. It's really, really cool. So she's been in Dubai, she's been in Amsterdam, I think, Germany, and obviously England. So she is a massive entrepreneur herself. Started when she was 19. Amazing. When she was at university, now she's absolutely killing it. Like, killing it. Anyway, I wonder where she is. She hasn't forgotten about me. Here she is. Woo! The lead provocateur. We're here. Harry's just gone to get us a nice little coffee. No, water. Sorry, water. I've got my little coffee just here. Check out this space, guys. How cool is this? Which is Sarah's seat? That's the most important question, because I want to sit there and not get told off. You always sit this side, don't you?
I do. Well, yeah. I remember. She's been watching my pod.
See, I care. Here he is, the big dog. Thanks, mate. Cheers, bro.
Yeah, great. What, where are they from?
Alex,
Oh, very nice.
Yeah, so I love that lake. It's really cool. It's kind of fun.
It's good when you have your brands and stick to them, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
And you said something that stuck with me. I was like, go you. You said to me, you found an old payslip from when you were a teacher. and you looked at this payslip and you saw that the amount that you were making per year is now the amount that you're clearing in some months.
For myself going through all that hardship, because if you want something you never had, you have to do things you never done, and that zone of uncertainty is so scary. It's more than that. I'd say neurodevelopment coach for kids. I went international, which is really cool. I wrote a book, making sales on that. I've got an online course. I've now got a coaching agency for amazing, inspirational, powerful, ambitious, confident teachers that want to do more with the skills they've acquired from the education system and impact more and have a better life for themselves and their family. And I show them literally what to do and how to do that. How to do business, do that. As you're aware, you have to kind of figure it out yourself. So that was amazing. But I think this legend just here, it's just so cool. Thanks, Harry. Cheers, mate. Appreciate that. Oh, it's such a nice. That was wonderful. That went so quick, didn't it?
It was so good.
So quick. Cool. Now we're gonna get home. Peace out. See you later. Whoa, that was such a cool podcast. Sarah knows her stuff, and she asked me some really not tough questions, but kind of controversial questions, such as, do you think broke people should have children? And in a long-winded way, I said no. And there you go. I'm okay to say that. But so far, it's going to be released probably next month. I can't wait to see that. How can we help promote what you do? Because what you're doing is amazing, and we need to make sure that more and more people know about this, especially kids, especially parents, and especially teachers, because they're literally, our future. Like literally, kids are 20% of our population, but 100% of our future. So she said what I'm doing is really important. So it's really cool, really amazing. Anyway, I hope you like this video. If you are a teacher and you are seriously considering wanting to leave the education system, but you want to know exactly how to do that, I've got a little, it's easy to follow step-by-step plan for teachers only. And if you're interested, just drop me a DM saying Kid Coach and I'll get to send it to you. In the meantime, have a cool day. Peace out.